love shopping but don't know how to say things in English? Don't worry. In this video, you'll learn the 100 most useful English words for shopping, words you'll actually use in real life. Stay with me until the end and speak confidently the next time you go shopping. Shop. Shop. I love to shop at the mall on weekends. Store. Store. This store sells beautiful clothes. Mall. Mall. The new mall has many popular brands. Market. Market. I buy fresh vegetables from the market. Customer. Customer. The customer asked for a refund. Cashier. Cashier. The cashier smiled and gave me the receipt. Discount. Discount. There's a big discount on shoes today. Sale. Sale. I bought this jacket during the summer sale. Price. Price. The price of that bag is too high. Cost. Cost. How much does this dress cost? Money. Money. I don't have enough money for that. Wallet. Wallet. I left my wallet at home. Receipt. Receipt. Don't forget to take your receipt. Card. Card. You can pay with your card or cash. 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 I usually pay in cash. Change. Change. Keep the change, please. Bag. Bag. She put the groceries in a paper bag. Basket. Basket. He filled the basket with fruits. Queue. Queue. We stood in a long queue to pay. Shelf. Shelf. The cereal is on the top shelf. Brand. Brand. This brand is famous for its quality. Product. Product. This product comes with a 2-year warranty. Item. Item. Each item has a price tag on it. Size. Size. What size do you wear in shoes? Color. Color. Do you have this shirt in another color? Fitting room. Fitting room. The fitting room is on the left. Fashion. Fashion. Fashion changes every season. Style. Style. I love your sense of style. Material. Material. The material feels soft and comfortable. Fabric. Fabric. This fabric is perfect for summer dresses. Design. Design. The design of this dress is unique. Quality. Quality. The quality of this coat is excellent. Cheap. Cheap. These shoes are cheap but comfortable. Expensive. Expensive. That watch is too expensive for me. Bargain. Bargain. I found a great bargain at the market. Shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. The shopkeeper was very friendly. Shopping bag. Shopping bag. Can I get a shopping bag, please? Online. Online. I prefer to shop online. Delivery. Delivery. The delivery arrived earlier than expected. Order. Order. I want to place an online order. Package. The package was delivered to my door. Barcode. Barcode. The barcode didn't scan correctly. Label. Label. Check the label for washing instructions. Return. Return. You can return it within 7 days. Exchange. Exchange. I'd like to exchange this shirt for a larger one. Refund. Refund. The store gave me a full refund. Department. Department. The electronics department is upstairs. Aisle. Aisle. The milk is in the last aisle. Counter. Counter. Pay at the main counter, please. Stock. Stock. That product is out of stock. Manager. Manager. I'd like to speak to the manager. Purchase. Purchase. I made a big purchase yesterday. Coupon. Coupon. I used a coupon to save money. Offer. Offer. There's a special offer on jeans today. Gift. Gift. I bought a gift for my friend. Wrap. Wrap. Could you wrap this, please? Promotion. Promotion. The promotion ends this weekend. Warranty. Warranty. This phone comes with a 1-year warranty. Bill. Bill. The bill includes tax and service charge. Tax. Tax. The price already includes tax. Delivery fee. Delivery fee. The delivery fee is $5. Shopping cart. Shopping cart. I filled my shopping cart quickly. Grocery. Grocery. I need to buy grocery items today. Supermarket. Supermarket. We go to the supermarket every Sunday. Checkout. Checkout. The checkout is over there. Total. Total. Your total is $35. Receipt number. Receipt number. Please check your receipt number online. Warranty card. Warranty card. Don't lose your warranty card. Cash register. Cash register. The cash register stopped working. Customer service. Customer service. Go to customer service for help. Exchange rate. Exchange rate. The exchange rate changes every day. Currency. Currency. What currency do you accept here? Price tag. Price tag. The price tag says $49.99. Fitting. Fitting. The fitting was perfect for my size. Tailor. Tailor. The tailor can adjust the length for you. Jewelry. Jewelry. She bought a beautiful piece of jewelry. Perfume. Perfume. He gave her a perfume as a gift. Cosmetics. Cosmetics. This shop sells natural cosmetics. Electronics. Electronics. I need to buy some electronics for my office. Gadget. Gadget. This gadget makes cooking easier. Shoe. Shoe. I tried on a new pair of shoes. Clothing. Clothing. That clothing store is very popular. Boutique. The boutique has many unique dresses. Outlet. Outlet. We visited a large outlet mall yesterday. Fitting area. Fitting area. The fitting area is behind the mirrors. Trial. Trial. You can have a free trial before buying. Sample. Sample. Try a free sample of our new lotion. Shopping list. Shopping list. I forgot my shopping list at home. Item code. Item code. Enter the item code to find it online. Stockroom. Stockroom. The stockroom is full of boxes. Aisle number. Aisle number. Check aisle number 5 for bread. Shelf life. Shelf life. This product has a long shelf life. Produce. Produce. Fresh produce is at the front of the store. Dairy. Dairy. The dairy section is cold. Meat. Meat. I bought fresh meat from the butcher. Seafood. Seafood. This store has a great seafood section. Cashier counter. Cashier counter. Pay at the cashier counter, please. Self-checkout. Self-checkout. I used the self-checkout machine. Shopping spree. Shopping spree. We went on a shopping spree last weekend. Window shopping. Window shopping. I enjoy window shopping with my friends. Great job! Now you know the 100 most common English words for shopping. The next time you go to a store, you'll understand everything with confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one. Keep learning and keep improving your English.